Data is very expensive now. What if I tell you that you can get 1 gigabyte of data for as low as 10 naira? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you an app that can use to get 1 gigabyte of data for as low as 10 naira. And the good thing about this app is that you can always get access to this data daily. So if you're an MTN user and you will be looking for a way on how to get it at a very cheap rate, then make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know this app that can use to get data from MTN. So this is mostly for MTN user. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive right into the video. With this app, you can be able to get 1 gigabyte of data for just 10 naira. So this is how the interface of the app look like once you log in. I'm going to tell you the name of the app at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So to get your data from this app, you click on data, then it will bring you to this interface, then you select MTN. So to get your 10 gigabyte of data from this app, you come to this interface. So here you can see flash sale. So on this section you can see that with 10 naira you can get 1 gigabyte of data. Now they are giving you 90% off, so which means you're supposed to buy this data for just 500 naira, but they are giving you 90% off. So with 10 naira I can get 1 gigabyte of data. So but there is a period of time that you can use to get this data. As you can see, currently now is already sold out, so you can be able to buy this data from 8 a.m. in the morning and 8 in the night. So make sure that you log in on time within this period of time for you to be able to get access to this data, because they have a limited slot. So once those slots are being sold out, you cannot get access to this data again. You have to wait for the next session. So you have to be very fast, because it is the fastest finger, because they have limited slot of data that you can get access to with this option. So the name of the app is Pampe. So just come to your Google Play Store, your App Store, then you search for Pampe, then you can install the app on your phone. Then from there, after your registration, you can start getting cheap data from this app. So with this app, you can be able to get 1 gigabyte of data for as low as 10 naira, and you can also use to get it at a very cheap rate from other network. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. Want to learn how to get it at a very cheap rate from other networks? You can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.